Welcome. In this tutorial, we will walk through the steps to hide notifications on Google Chrome, ensuring a more focused browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once it's open, you'll see your familiar homepage. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This is known as the menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Now, navigate to the Privacy and Security section on the left-hand side. Here, you will find several options related to your browsing data and security settings. Click on Site Settings to proceed. In the Site Settings menu, scroll down until you find Notifications. Click on it to access the notification settings for Chrome. You will see several options regarding how notifications are handled. To disable all notifications, look for the option labeled Show Notifications. Simply toggle this setting off. By doing so, you will prevent any websites from sending notifications directly to your browser. And that's it. You have successfully hidden notifications on Google Chrome. This change will help minimize distractions and allow you to browse without interruptions from unwanted alerts. If you ever decide that you want to enable notifications again, just follow the same steps and toggle the setting back on. Remember, managing your notifications can greatly enhance your browsing experience by keeping it clutter-free. Thank you for following along. Enjoy a smoother and more focused time while using Google Chrome.